Today we're unboxing the Gskyer 130 EQ Newtonian reflector telescope. Let's open the box and check out all the accessories. Each part is neatly packed in protective foam to prevent damage during shipping. Now the tripod, made of stainless steel and fully adjustable in height. This is the accessory tray. It connects to the center of the tripod for holding eyepieces and tools. First, we take out the main optical tube. This is the heart of the telescope, featuring a 130mm aperture. Next, we remove the equatorial mount. It allows precise tracking of celestial objects as the Earth rotates. Here's the counterweight bar and weights. These balance the optical tube for smoother movement. These are the fine adjustment control rods. Now let's look at the accessories. A 25mm eyepiece, 10mm, and 5mm for different magnifications. There's also a 3x Barlow lens, which triples the power of each eyepiece. This black erecting eyepiece flips the image upright, making it easier for terrestrial viewing. And finally, we have the smartphone adapter and Bluetooth remote, perfect for astrophotography. Here's everything included in the box. Let's put it together. Start by unfolding the tripod legs. Make sure the tripod is level. Next, align the accessory tray with the center pin. Clicks into place. Now we install the equatorial mount. Align the hole on the bottom of the mount with the screw on the tripod. Rotate clockwise until the mount is firmly attached. You can also adjust the telescope's altitude by turning this handle on the equatorial mount. Insert the counterweight bar into the mount. Make sure not to remove the small aluminum safety pin at the end. Slide the counterweights onto the bar and secure them using the locking screws. Install the fine-tuning control rods. One moves the telescope up and down, the other moves it left and right. Loosen the tube rings on the mount and place the optical tube inside. Gently tighten the screws to secure the tube. Avoid over-tightening. Now attach the optical tube to the equatorial mount. Align the base and secure it with the mounting screws. Install the finder scope bracket. Orientation matters. Make sure it's facing forward. Loosen the screws on the bracket and slide in the finder scope, then tighten again. Now remove the protective caps from the 25mm eyepiece. Then take off the dust cover from the telescope's focuser. Insert the eyepiece gently into the focuser tube. Lightly tighten the side screws to secure it in place, just enough to hold it firmly. Start by loosening the two screws on the smartphone adapter. Place the eyepiece into the holder slot and tighten the screws to secure it. Now connect the upper and lower parts of the adapter by tightening the center knob. The clamp is spring-loaded, so it fits most phones easily. Clip your phone into the holder, then align the camera lens with the center of the eyepiece. Once it's in the right position, tighten the adjustment screw to keep it in place. Now insert the assembled adapter into the telescope's focuser and secure it with the locking ring. Connect the Bluetooth shutter for hands-free shooting. With this setup, you can easily capture beautiful images of the moon and planets right from your phone. The telescope is now fully assembled, complete with the equatorial mount, finder scope, eyepiece, and smartphone adapter. You're now ready to explore the night sky and capture stunning views with just your phone. Hi there! Today I'm standing next to the Gskyer 130 EQ telescope, and I'm going to show you why this is one of the best beginner-friendly telescopes out there. First, let's talk about what makes it special. It has a 130mm aperture, which means it collects a lot of light, perfect for viewing the moon, planets like Jupiter and Saturn, and even some deep sky objects. And with up to 390x magnification, you'll be amazed by the detail. It comes with 3 eyepieces, a 3x Barlow lens, and a red dot finder scope that makes aiming much easier, especially at night. The equatorial mount is designed for smooth, accurate tracking. Once it's aligned, you can follow a star across the sky just by turning a knob. No tech required. One of my favorite features, the smartphone adapter. You can attach your phone directly to the eyepiece, line up your camera, and start taking real astrophotography shots right from your backyard. It even includes a Bluetooth remote, so you can take pictures without touching your phone and shaking the image. Setup only takes about 10 minutes, and once it's ready, the fun begins. Whether you're a parent looking to spark curiosity in your kids, or just someone who's always loved looking up at the stars, this scope is for you. If you want to see more about how to set it up, use it, and capture awesome shots, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment with what you'd like to explore next. Thanks for watching.